So it looks like even when I'm asleep, my model is printing wins in the market. As you can see, this was just after market open last night, where I would be asleep, sadly, because I am from the UK, where the price at this time was about at 1 in the morning, or it was about 12 at night, when I would have been asleep, which is sad. But as you can see, this was another win for my model. If you don't know what my model is, I'm going to explain it to you in this video, and why I would have taken this trade if I was on the charts. As always, like and subscribe and all that stuff, and let's get into it. So basically, these are my rules. You can see them quite clearly here. We're going to talk about it. Always, I wait for a sweep of sell side, also known as these obvious swing lows, and then I target buy side every single time. We're at all-time highs, so of course we're always just targeting all-time highs again, because why the hell wouldn't you? Let's be honest, all-time highs are always the draw when you're at all-time highs in terms of liquidity, and as you can see recently, we have just been absolutely ripping to the upside. So why would you ever try and short at all-time highs? It's pretty suicidal. So I'm always looking for a sweep of sell side, and then looking to target buy side. You can see here we've got sell side sweep. My buy side target's up here. We also have this new week opening gap, which is always a great place to target. So this would have been a great area that I could have targeted. So as you can see, this is what I look for. Sweep of sell side, target buy side. I'm looking for a bullish reaction from the low. I'm looking for good momentum, and I'm looking for a 3-candle pattern V shape. And this had everything. It had all my rules that I would have wanted. Let's go through this actually. Let's go through this with replay mode so you can see what I'm looking for. So we open up for a new week. We come down. We've got an obvious low here that we can sweep for liquidity. We come down. We tap it. We get the 3-candle pattern V shape forming. Lovely, lovely bullish reaction from this low, as you can see quite clearly here. This is a really, really great reaction. As you can see on the next candle, we close back above the gap that we create. So we've got all of my rules. Sweep of sell side, we've got the target, we've got the bullish reaction, we've got momentum, we've got the inverted fair value gap, which is this gap here. You can see this gap in price. It's been inverted. It's been closed back over after the sweep of sell side, and it's a 3-candle pattern V shape on the 5-minute, which is a really, really, really powerful reversal pattern in the markets. And then all I do is I enter like this. I enter my trade long on this inverse. I target 1R. I tend to risk about $200 per trade, and I'll usually copy trade 30 accounts. This is set up for $200 risk, so you can see I would have took this with about 3 micros probably. So that would have been $200 risk. And then, as you can see, we'll just let the trade play out. All my rules have been fulfilled, and then I would wait. So you can see we come down. We actually tap back into this 5-minute gap. Instead of just running straight up, you can see we actually come down, and then we never close back below the gap. A loss for me with my model is if we close back below the gap. That's why I size for down here in case we do this and then close down here again. I want to get out for about $200 risk. Obviously, if I had my risk set here, we could close all the way down here and I'll get absolutely wrecked on my sizing. So this is what I do. So we come up, we hit 1R. As you can see, we actually hit the gap as well. I would have scaled half at 1R, gone break even on the rest. That's what I always do. So $100 taken off profit all my accounts, and then I'm holding the other $100 runners. Probably with this, with 3 micros, I might have just scaled 1 micro, gone break even, and then waited for the rest. And then, as you can see, we chop around for a bit, and then I would have probably trailed once we got to about 3R here, looking to target this high. You can see we hit that high there, and I would have been probably scaled 1 more up there, and then probably trailed the other one in profit. This would have made me about $200 or $300, maybe $400 profit. Maybe a 4R trade there on $200 risk, but obviously scaling half here. Probably scaling some at 2R and then 3R, probably about $400. So about a 2R overall in terms of risk to reward. But a great trade. This is what I do every single day. This is what I do every single week. Recently, it's been more difficult because price has been poo-poo caca, because it's just been going straight up. So it's very difficult to get into trades when price is basically going straight up. But you can see if we go back and look here, there haven't been many great opportunities for inverted fair value gap traders. You can see here there's nothing here that I would take, nothing here that I would take. Nothing on the 5-minute that suggests that we probably would have got any kind of decent trades. There was one here, which I did actually alert. I believe I alerted this one in my private Discord, which you can get in the description, by the way, if you want to get alerts for my trades. But you can see this one would have worked. Sweep of liquidity. We're in a bullish uptrend here. We're looking to target 1 for 1 as always. Enter on the inverse. This one wasn't a 3-candle pattern, but I liked it just because of how we were like reversing back around, and we still had these obvious highs from the AM up here that we could target. You can see this one ended up going for 4R or something. Another great trade, really simple. You can see horrible open. Really bad open this. Look at this, is absolutely crap. But you can see once we created more market structure, we come down, we sweep, super bullish reaction for the continuation. Really easy trade. Alerted this one in the Discord, and there have been a few more alerts recently, which I can't find at the minute because price action has just basically been going straight up. It's very difficult to see. This one here I alerted as well. This one was a scale half break even. You can see really obvious sweep of liquidity. Great bullish reaction. 3 candle pattern V shape. Enter on the inverse. I kept my stop loss a little bit tighter on this one just because I was a bit concerned about how crap the price action was all day. So basically this one was I scaled basically half at 1R and then got break even instantly, as you can see, because this was horrible choppy price action. But this could have gone for like a 2R, maybe a 3R if you're willing to hold through this chop and you believed in the fair value gap. But you can see that was another win. Basically loads of wins and very few losses recently with my model. I'm sure there was one more trade in here somewhere which I'm missing right now. That was the one there. Was there one here? This one had equal lows. I'm sure that there was a trade. I didn't take this one because we were super bearish. There was a trade down here. I think it might have been a 2-minute or something. But anyway, guys, I think you get the idea. The model is absolutely fantastic. I tend to trade just the 5-minute because the 5-minute works the best for me. But obviously, you can trade this on any time frame and you will have an element of success. I just find that the 5-minute filters out a lot of the losing trades for me because it just has more confirmation. There's more time frames embedded into it, as you can see. But I mean, there were some trades here last night that on the 1-minute here that probably would have worked as well. You can see if we look across here. I mean, there's one here. Little 1-minute gap. Resweep the low. Get the 1-minute inverse back to the upside. Target up here. There you go. Simple as you like. Any more 1-minute trades here? Pretty choppy price action overnight here. I wouldn't have traded any of this. You can see that 5-minute was actually a 1-minute here as well, as you can see there. That 5-minute I showed at the start of the video, this is it, but on the 1-minute time frame, could have entered there, target the gap, simple stuff. Really good model. I've been having such great success with this over the past few years. I got 100k payouts last year, and I also got like an 80% win rate, which is pretty mad. I don't take as many trades as everyone else. Sometimes I don't even take like one trade all week. But obviously, I would have taken this one if I was awake, because this fulfilled all my criteria for a trade. And you can see it worked to perfection. So as always, guys, I'm going to leave it there because I don't want to waffle on too long at you. But please do like and subscribe. Join the free Discord down below. I'm doing a giveaway soon for a Lucid account. Join the free Discord to get involved. And if you do want to get alerts and signals for my model, all the trades that I take, including education and also a bit of one-on-one action in the premium, then get it in the description. Thank you.